AI isn't just shaping the future, it's already here, revolutionizing our daily lives in ways we often take for granted. From your morning coffee order to the shows you binge watch at night, AI plays a silent but powerful role. Today, let's uncover how artificial intelligence is seamlessly transforming our everyday routines. Ever noticed how online stores seem to know exactly what you're looking for? That's AI at work. Platforms like Amazon use recommendation systems powered by machine learning. These systems analyze your browsing history, purchases, and even the time you spend looking at certain items to suggest products tailored just for you. But it doesn't stop there. AI also adjusts prices dynamically. If you've seen prices fluctuate for airline tickets or hotel rooms, it's because AI algorithms are analyzing demand, competition, and even your browsing habits. And when you make a payment, AI steps in again, detecting and preventing fraudulent transactions in real time. If you're finding this interesting, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI. Getting from point A to point B has never been smarter, thanks to AI. Apps like Google Maps use AI to predict traffic patterns and suggest the fastest routes. They analyze data from millions of users, including speed, location, and traffic density, to provide real-time updates. Ride-sharing apps like Uber and Lyft take it a step further, using AI to match drivers with riders efficiently, calculate fares dynamically, and even predict areas with high demand. Public transport systems in smart cities also use AI to optimize routes and schedules, making commutes smoother for everyone. Ever wondered why your Netflix recommendations are spot on, or how Spotify creates playlists you'll love? AI analyzes your viewing or listening habits, compares them with millions of other users, and suggests content that aligns with your preferences. Social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok also use AI to decide what appears on your feed. They prioritize posts and videos based on your engagement patterns, ensuring you stay glued to the screen. Even news apps use AI to filter and display articles that match your interests. AI is a game changer in healthcare. Wearables like Apple Watch or Fitbit track your heart rate, steps, and sleep patterns, offering real-time health insights. Virtual health assistants are another marvel. These AI-powered chatbots can answer your medical queries, schedule appointments, and even provide initial diagnoses. In more advanced scenarios, AI speeds up drug development by analyzing massive data sets to identify potential treatments, saving time and lives. Imagine waking up and your smart assistant has already set the perfect room temperature, brewed your coffee, and reminded you of your day's tasks. AI powers these conveniences. Smart assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant manage schedules, control devices, and even answer trivia. Smart home systems like Nest learn your preferences over time, adjusting settings automatically to make your life more comfortable. AI is reshaping education, making it more personalized and accessible. Platforms like Duolingo adapt lessons based on your progress, while Coursera uses AI to recommend courses aligned with your career goals. Even in traditional classrooms, AI tools help teachers analyze student performance and provide tailored feedback. As transformative as AI is, it comes with challenges. Privacy concerns are growing as AI collects more personal data. Job displacement is another issue, with fears of automation replacing human roles. And let's not forget bias in AI systems, which can perpetuate inequality. Addressing these concerns is crucial for creating a future where AI benefits everyone. What's next for AI? We're on the brink of even more revolutionary changes. From self-driving cars to AI-integrated virtual reality, the possibilities are endless. One thing's clear, AI is here to stay, and its impact will only grow. From shopping and navigation to education and healthcare, AI has woven itself into the fabric of our daily lives. But as we embrace its convenience, let's also remain mindful of the ethical challenges it brings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more explorations into the fascinating world of AI.